This is lesson 6b, solving simple quadratics, and there's also an Alex with this one instead of paper. So now we're going to solve and we're going to simplify the radicals. So I'm going to add 80 to both sides. X squared equals 80, and I'm going to take the square root of both sides, and now I'm going to simplify the radical to get an exact solution. So I'm going to break down 80 into 2 times 40. Well, 2 is a prime. 40 I could break into 2 and 20. 20 I could break into 2 and 10. 10 I could break into 2 and 5. There are all my primes. So if under my radical, my square root of 80 is really 2 squared times 2 squared times 5, and I can square root all of that. So I get 2 times 2 times square root of 5. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, so 4 square roots of 5. Now, something that I didn't do a good job of is when I square rooted, I should have said this is plus or minus 80. So this would be plus or minus square root of 5. So my set of solutions, I have negative 4 square roots of 5 and positive 4 square roots of 5. Those are my exact solution. Let's do another. So I'm going to add 84 to both sides. So I get 3x squared equals 84. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. 84 divided by 3 is 28. So x squared equals 28. And then I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So I want plus or minus square root of 28. Now I'm going to simplify 28. So I'm going to break it down into 2 times 14. And then 2 times 7. Those are all primes. So this simplifies into, we have 2 squared under the square root, and we have 7 under my square root. Well, the square root of 2 squared is 2, so I have 2 square roots of 7. And remember, we were looking at plus or minus. So we have negative 2 square roots of 7 and positive 2 square roots of 7. There's my exact answer.